So, welcome Didgeridoo family. So today I'm going to teach you how to play this rhythm, or in the next couple of videos. This super cool sort of samba rhythm. And the first thing we have to do is get the bass in order. And that is the breathing in this rhythm. So the breathing is ha, 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. So the belly pushes in with every ha. In the didgeridoo we have to make a didgeridoo, and that's going to be goo. We need to close and open the throat to make it circular breathing. So it's going to be goo, 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 goo. Goo, 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 goo. And on the didgeridoo, it sounds like this. And then again. So it's just the breathing this week. Next week, so we're gonna make it this super cool rhythm. So it's goo, 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 goo. Goo 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 goo, and then goo 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 goo, back to goo 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 goo. And there goes my background. Look, well, the other background is pretty nice too. So love and light from Portugal, and practice this breathing. See you next week. Love and light from Portugal. Ciao, beautifuls.